Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Look, it's been a while, I totally get it, I do apologise from my heart. I've had stuff going on at home, it is what it is. So today I'm coming back with a little POV video of the ZAFIRA GSI, going for a bit of a drive around. I'll try and front face record with my phone so we can get a little bit of both what I'm doing and where we're driving, and we'll go from there. So boys, I am back. I will get recording some content, really good content shortly, but for now we're going to stick with the GSI. Still good content, and we'll go and have a little bit of a drive around. Got things to do and people to see, so let's hit the road. We've had a cheeky little tune put on the car as well, which I'll go more into in a minute. So we'll just get a quick voice check, 'cause I'll probably use the audio off this phone, 'cause it's probably better. So yeah, we'll start recording on that now, and then we'll hit the road. Let's go. And yeah, let's do it. Sound check from here. Let's go. Still see me, boys, or what? Yeah, fuck it. Put this one on. So we're off out. Currently in Bolton. We'll just see if we can see anything on the roads. I hope you're all holding up well in these unpleasant times. And I don't mean the COVID, I mean just getting your decent 99 rated fuel. So yeah, listen to this. Definitely more perky than she was, 100% more. So for those of you that are new to the channel, while we're just cruising, couple of pictures here now put in. So what we're in is a ZAFIRA GSI Mark 1 2004 Z20 LET model with upgraded pipes, pipe work from MTC. We have a rocker cover that we got off the Chadder, and we're running secondary decap pipe, and we are running a stage 2, I believe, EDS tune. Shout out to Wayne for that, mate, top man. We did try and put about 3 tunes on the car. We found one that settled. I get it, you should probably just go to a proper tuning garage and fucking get it dynoed and blah de blah de blah de blah. I've done all that part of the scene, boys. Let's just whack a map on it and see what happens. So 3 of them didn't sit well with the car, and we stuck the stage. They were all stage 1 with traction control off and stuff. And then we went and stuck the stage 2 EDS tune on, which Bill was running in his ZAFIRA when I first got this car. We went out for a drive in it. Don't know if I'm shouting, but anyway. Go on, get you out. And it seems to suit the car really well. So I am enjoying it a lot more. There's still issues with the car that we need to sort out. The ceiling, the roof lining is one. I have got the roof lining with the glue and stuff, so I need to get Simo on the blower, saying bro, coming round, yeah, roof and that, yeah, my guy, let's go. It's pretty much how our conversation's gonna go. And yeah, so that's about it for now, up to now. Oh yeah, got a cheeky little, not gonna do a box opening here, but this is what they all put on the cars nowadays. I had one in the TT, but I'll do a video on that another day, and should make it a bit better. So we've got behind us some type of merc, you can only tell by the lights, obviously. But yeah, I do hope you're all well, and again, apologies for not creating some content for you boys. Just had a rough few months, bit of both really, rough few months. Obviously I lost someone in my family, crazy, and obviously I've had my little girl as well, so I've been proper just up and down. Work's been hammered, but listen, I should find some time for you boys, and I'll be disappointed if I don't put some more in for you shortly. What you liking the beard? Forget the wig, need to chop. Like I say, if you're here for the haircut, not really here for the reasons I need you to be, so crack on. But sounds quite nice, sounds quite beefy. We've had the stem seals done, so obviously in the other videos we did the stem seals. We did a new reset valve, New timing belt, new water pump. Still need to do the drive belt and tension on. But yeah, boys, this is what we've come here for. So let's just kick to front-facing camera for now, because this one's about to die, and then enjoy the video, boys. Let's go and try and hit some cars up, see if we can surprise anybody, or get absolutely fucking smoked. Let's go. Peace out. Some little niggles here and there, maybe there's a vac pipe or something. There's one vac pipe that I didn't replace that comes off the bottom of the turbo, still running its old fucking shitty pipe, whatever it was. Hopefully things are cool there. Come on, mate. Noise then means I need to pull over. For some reason, the bit of beading that sits on the top of the windscreen keeps popping out on there when I get on the motorway. I've put it in God knows how many times, proper bane of my life. Summer is absolutely winding me up in the back. I'm in back 2 minutes, man. Fucking Vauxhall life. Let's pull over. Sort that right out. Job done. YouTube edit. Sorry about that, boys. Got a phone call. Where was we? So we're on the East Lancs. Shout out to, I think, is it Joshua Scrivens, messaged me today asking what the fuck I'm playing at, where's the content, blah blah blah, but in a dead nice way. And yeah, respect to you, bro. We'll have to hook up one day. I think he's done a 1.8 Astra conversion to the 2 litre LAL, which was in the coupe, what the missus had, which is what I've got the wheels for, the LAL off the coupe. And yeah, so we're back at it, boys. Let's continue. Oh, you're not, what, why are you there, mate? What are you doing? This is what I mean, you get mongs on the road. Why are you in the fast lane? Jeez. Yes. Nah, the window deflectors are stopping it going up, stress out. So yeah, while we're chilling at the lights, what you boys want to see, you need to let me know with this. What direction should we take this in? Should we do? I need to do a full restoration of it. Obviously, some bits and bobs around the car. The bodywork's really nice, but the bumper sort of hanging off a little bit. We need to sort the turbo out at some point. Get the VXR one in with the injectors and a proper remap. At the minute, I need to get the front cat out. And then I need to get the back box sorted because I'm pretty sure it's collapsed. Yeah, that. It's a little surprise in some cars, you know this. It's no VXR stage 2, 3, whatever, but it's a little surpriser. I do like it. So obviously, dual carriageways in Mexico. I'll try and shout out the 0 to 60, one of you want to watch it. So somebody count that out. I'll probably do it in edit anyway. It moves, man, that's much better considering we're on 109,000 miles. It's on a stock turbo, it's on a stock actuator, stock injectors, stock fucking engine, yet still it can pull like that off a quick remap. How you don't get a remap when you get a car? It's daft. What's this? Well, let's pull up on it. What is it? Audi? Nah. If it wants it, it'll get it, boys, you know it. Win, lose or draw. Story for you, quick time. This tunnel coming up, I'm in a Corsa 1.2 design. I've got a BM on the right hand side with me mating it, and I've got the guy in the BM's brother in my car in the passenger seat. We've raced off from them lights. By now I'm probably getting to this corner, grabbing 5th gear in the little 1.2. Get to this point, I'm thinking I want to come right and take a nice line in there. Look right, he's in the BMW. I had to stick this corner out at 105 mile an hour. Sound nice. The engine has come a long way since I got the car. Need to sort out the leak on the water pipe next to the turbo. Not next to the turbo. So, and then he sort the oil leak out. It's got a drop of an oil leak. Just a drop. I think I need to put a new sump bolts in it, reseal the sump maybe, put another gasket on the sump, or just check everything. Oil return, need to get that resealed. Some definite jobs to be getting some content on, boys, soon. Definitely. Just concentrating on the driving, boys, you know how it goes. Good job there, boys. Yes boys, so listen, I'm going to call it there for this video. Just a little teaser and a little message to say that I'm back. Going to whack the content out, get some drives on, maybe just driving around doing this, seeing what we can hit. That's not full boost, that's just 2/3 before you really give it all. This pedal wants to go all the way back and then you just get the full boost, obviously. But yeah boys, listen, nice one. Thanks for coming and watching the videos again. Leave a comment, hit a subscribe button if you're new to the channel and you want to see what goes on with the Zafir, and I will catch you in the next one boys. It's been emotional, trust me, it really has. Don't have a massive amount of subscribers, but you boys who watch do care about a bro, and I care back, so yeah, much love and respect out window. And I will catch you in the next one boys. Peace out.